Take one.
Hi there, I'm Daniel. I am the owner of 21345 and 21343 Southeast 142nd Place in Umatilla, Florida. And I'm here to show you some of the features and explain what you're looking at. We're going to start right here at the front gate. This is the main entry point of the property. It's about 13 foot tall to the top of it, so you can get just about anything through there. There is a wind and security brace on the back side that opens automatically. And there are, I should probably look at the camera if I want you to hear me. There are also sconces hanging on both sides. Those are made out of solid steel and they hold actual citronella torches, real fire. Looks really cool at night, obviously. So,
So you access it with a keypad? Oh, you got a remote.
We've got clickers for the vehicles. There's also a keypad there. And it is automated. That's our watchdog.
There he is.
Vicious killer.
Yeah, right. All right, Dan, give us a general overview of what we have here: acreage, dwellings that are here, the fencing.
You want to show the wind brace?
Oh yeah, that's a good idea too.
So as I said, it unlocks itself, and you don't have to lock it, but if it's real windy, or if you want more security, simply pick that up and put it in there.
All right, look at that.
This is the main driveway. Pardon the stuff on the steps.
You gotta speak up a little.
Pardon the mess, always something going on. Right here is the main cabin on the property, and it's been recently renovated inside. Everything is nice and new. There's a koi pond over there that's about 5,000 gallons. It also serves as a backup water source, as well as fertilized water for gardening, which I'll explain in a different video. And it's also a source of water for firefighting if the need ever arose.
The two structures over there, the RV and the manufactured home?
Correct. The RV will go with the property for an acceptable offer, as well as obviously the manufactured home that is it is deeded to the land.
So the RV, how many bedrooms and bathrooms?
It is set up as a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's currently totally gutted. I've started replacing a lot of the drywall inside, but I'm not planning on finishing that before the sale of the property. It's going to be just sold gutted as it is.
In the manufactured home, good roof, how many bedrooms and bathrooms?
It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's about 1,000 square feet. There aren't currently any roof leaks, thankfully, but there is a couple of windows that still need to be replaced. I do have a stack of brand new windows inside the mobile home that come with the property. There are enough there to either put new windows, which are not necessary in the stilt home, or you can replace all the windows in the mobile home. There are enough windows there to do either one.
How many acres do we have?
1.24 acres.
And then what about the fencing? Explain that a little bit real quick.
If I'm not mistaken, there's about 1/3 of a mile of fencing. It is actually solid privacy fencing that you can't see through everywhere except for the east and west ends where it's very heavily wooded and you can't see in anyway. And there I use regular cattle fencing.
So you got underpinning too. You mentioned like 5-6 inches of.
Yeah, everywhere that the fence wasn't meeting the ground, I actually, which isn't very many places, I kept the fence actually a little bit up because I don't want it to rot. I actually put, hardware cloth under probably better than half of it. And then there's wood barriers under some of the areas. But yeah, there's actually nowhere, even under the front gate, you'll see the chicken wire hanging down and it's like a curtain. There's nowhere under for something easily to sneak under, or out, in or out.
All right, and we're gonna go over and look at the bathroom and the meat processing center and take 2.